Hello everyone. Uh, my name is Vishal. Let's start today's session. Today, I'm gonna talk about what we learned in this session. So we'll learn about the fundamental architecture of the internet by looking at the network layer protocols. The core was understanding the internet protocols, which is responsible for preparing data packets and ensuring they can cross diverse networks. And we also focus on transition from the traditional 32-bit IPv4 system to modern 128-bit IPv6 standard. And then to see this concept in action, we also learn about the Chrome command prompt to identify, on device identity. Using IP configuration, we could see, the IP before addresses and its class. Likely a class C address if you're on a home or a small office network. The most insightful part was using Wireshark. By capturing live traffic, we were able to dig into the headers of actual packets. We also saw how IPv4 uses a time to live TTL fields to prevent endless loops and how it handles fragmentation using offsets. In contrast, the IPv6 captures so much leaner fixed header that replaces TTL with a hop limit and adds a flow label for better quality of service. And this is all about the real world application. If we have to talk about the real world application, this protocol ends just theoretical, They are like the backbone of the modern business. For instance, network address translation, NAT, allows the whole office to share one global IP, which provides a layer of security by hiding internal address from the public internet. We also see those protocols used in VPNs, virtual private networks, which use tunneling to create secure path for remote worker over the standard internet. Using ARP address resolution protocol is also crucial as the bridge that translates logical IP address into the physical MAC addresses needed for a local LAN to actually deliver your data. So basically, there were multiple challenges in this stuff too. The biggest challenge we would say was, wrapping my head around subnet masking. It's fascinating how a simple mask like 255.255.255.0, for example, can completely change how a network is segmented. And also, we realize how the internet is constantly evolving. While IPv4 is what we know, Internet 2 and the full adoption of IPv6 are essential for the high-speed multi-device future we are moving toward. So basically, by mastering these tools, command line and Wireshark, we have gained a much deeper understanding of how data actually moves from, point A to point B. Yeah, with that, I think I'd like to end today's session. Thank you. Thank you for watching.